Oh, I got scared for a moment. What? Ah! What the fuck? Ah! Is this? Are you fucking stupid? He not know. Bro, he's not gonna guess it right. Oh my god! How did he do that? What's wrong with this Indian? What's wrong with this Indian ass man, dog? What the fuck? Oh, what? Hell no! What the hell? Alright, alright.
If you want to see which animal you look like.
Okay. No. He's not getting this right. I swear to God, yo. He's not, yo, chat. He's not getting this right. I swear to God, he's not getting this right. He's not, I swear on my life, he's not getting this right. 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 See, look, yeah. I really thought they had me on this game, bro. They're getting my brother. Yeah, there's no way he's getting it right. Oh, wait, chat. Did I beat him? Who the fuck is Giga Nigga? What the fuck? Who the fuck is Giga Nigga? Who the hell? Who the hell is Giga Nigga? Bro, what? Is that me?